Hello everybody and welcome. So I am finally in the hotel room. For those of you that don't know, I'm gonna sit down, but for those of you that don't know, I'm actually near the end of my backpacking adventures and I'm now in a hotel for 3 nights. So I hope this video is okay. I hope it's not too loud. There are lots of things going on outside with the housekeepers and everything, so hopefully you can still enjoy this video. But yes, if you do want to have a look at my travel adventures, I'll link it below. But I have also filmed some nature ASMR videos while I've been traveling, so if you want to see those you can. But I do now have a room tour that I'm going to do because these always goes down well. You seem to really like these and I like filming these too. So yeah, let's film a little room tour for you. But as you can see, this is the main layout and I'll show you it in a little bit more detail. Let's go. So I'm just starting here. This is the door and over here we have the bathroom. Now I'm going to be honest, I'm not very good at these room tours, so I hope you enjoy. Here I am. We have a nice mirror. I love a mirror, and I actually really like this bathroom. It's very white, light, and I don't know, it's just very, it's nice and refreshing. We have some tissues. We have a tap. There's also some body and face wash, and I've got lots and lots and lots of towels just here. I'm not sure what that sound is. I can hear a strange sound. Hopefully it doesn't annoy you. Then we have the shower, which I'm not going to go in there because I've got my shoes on. But this is the bathroom and there's a toilet here. But I actually really like this bathroom. It's not too big, not too small. It's just right. Okay, so I'm gonna close the door. Then this is obviously the room. However, here we have the wardrobe. And inside there is a blanket. And there is an ironing board and a place for you to hang your clothes. There is a safe is a hairdryer and an iron and just lots of storage space. And then over here, there's me again. Hello. We have a little kitchen area. So we have a microwave. You can see me again. And then a little counter to prepare your food. And there is a sink. And then this one's a fake drawer, but this drawer has lots of tea. This is probably my favorite drawer because we've got mugs. We can wash up with this, which I think it's for dishwasher, but we can use it to wash up. And we have tea, have 3 selections. We have Earl Grey tea, a high elevation single region tea with a touch of bergamot. So that would be nice. We also have breakfast tea, an invigorating brew to wake you up. Oh, to wake up to. And then we have a pure green tea, a pleasant tea with a lightly sweet finish. And then we've got coffees, sugars, and some cutlery. And then down here we have got some glasses, plates, bowls, and a kettle. And then finally in here we have the fridge. And I have put my milk in here, and there's also spare milk for me to use, but it's just a little fridge, which is nice. And yes, that's pretty much the little kitchen area. And then we have a nice full length mirror where you can see me again. Yeah, I like this mirror. And then this is the main room. So we have got a TV, quite a big TV. It's actually quite thin as well. It's a nice TV. You can see me again. And then these drawers are just empty. There's nothing in these. And this one is also empty. Just spare storage. And here's the remote. And very big mirror this time, and I like this mirror. It's nice. And then we have a table and chairs. And a phone. We have room service and more. In-room dining. Scan the QR code next to your bed for access to in-room food and beverage, hotel information, what's on, by Ibis Styles. Daily specials via in-room dining only. Monday, lasagna. Traditional lasagna served with mixed leaf salad. Tuesday is palmy and beer. Chicken palmy and Byron Bay lager. Wednesday, fish and chips. Beer battered fish and chips with aioli sauce. Aioli sauce. I have no idea what that is. Thursday, burger day. 3 burgers to choose from. Friday, fries, truffle loaded fries. Saturday, pizza, your choice pizza. Oh, it's pizza today. Okay. And then we have the curtains. Do you want to see the view? I don't know how good it is, but I've had better views, but I'm not going to complain. There looks like there's a little cafe down there or something. Yeah, I'm probably going to keep this closed. And then we have the classic sofa, which I think it is a bed. Sometimes they pull out to be a bed. I'm not sure, but we have a sofa. B R Y O N I A S M R. And over here we have all my bags. Which are very, very full at the moment. I've got my hat, which has a stain on it. I've got my popcorn, my other bag, my little camera, and the bed. I really like the walls. The walls are really nice. I like the pattern. It's very homely. And we have the bed. We have 4 pillows, which I'm going to enjoy tonight. I've currently been sleeping with 1 pillow and my neck pillow, because I prefer to have 2 pillows, otherwise my back really hurts. It's probably from working in healthcare, but it hurts sometimes. And then we have the big bed. It's actually massive. We have a very, very big bed. is pretty much the entire room. There's just a couple of little tables, but this is pretty much it. It's really cute and I like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the little room tour. I'm really excited to get back to filming my usual ASMR videos, so thank you so much for being so patient with me, and I'll be back soon. I'm ready to come back to ASMR. So thank you all so much. Take care. Happy New Year. And I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.